Hey guys, welcome back to the taste testing. We are going to be doing the clear American sparkling water. Um, we have a lot. There is 12. There's 12 of them. So we are going to actually have a lot. Here, I'm going to higher this a little bit higher. Okay, there we go. Alright. Alright, the first one that we're going to do is peach. So we're going to do the peach. That's the first one. It does fizz, so because it has caffeine in it. Alright. Oh, before we start, this is just my taste buds and what it tastes like and the aftertaste and what it smells like. So this is just my taste buds. Okay. Okay, we got it in there. It kind of looks like a Sprite. Yeah, it definitely does smell like a peach. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, it definitely tastes like a peach. Aftertaste, not too bad. The aftertaste ain't too bad. I can still taste it in the back of my throat. I like that when I can taste it in the back of my throat. So yeah, overall it was good. All right, now we're going to do key lime. Key lime. Sorry, you guys are going to hear noises in the background. That's because my roommate fell asleep in the living room and he makes loud ass noises whenever he's asleep. I don't know why, but yeah. Oh, I forgot to smell it. Ew. No, I don't like that one. No, I don't like that one. It does taste like a lime. No, I don't like that one. Aftertaste, it's a little bitter in the back of the throat. Alright, let's move on. Ooh, I love cherry. So this is wild cherry. So let's get to it. Yeah, that definitely smells like a cherry. Most definitely. Yeah, that smells like a cherry. Okay, let's get to it. Yeah, definitely a cherry. Definitely a cherry. Alright, yeah, that definitely tastes like a cherry, definitely. Alright, let's get to white grape. Alright, I wonder what white grape is going to taste like. Oh, almost overflowed. Okay. Does smell like a grape. That smells. That kind of almost smells similar to Sprite. Okay. Yo, no. Oh, that tastes like cough syrup. Ugh. That straight up tastes like cough syrup. No. Oh. Okay. Tangerine mango. Or tangerine mango, sorry. Tangerine mango. Ooh, that smells really good. You know what it smells like? It smells like you remember the Snapple drink? The Snapple drinks we were doing? It smells like the Snapple apple. Wow, that smells good. Wow. Wow, that one tastes really, really, really good. Tangerine mango. That tastes really good. Okay, now we're going to get to blackberry lemonade. Okay, this one don't smell half bad. It kind of smells like Sweet Tarts. The Sweet Tarts candy. That's what it smells like. Ugh, no. That tastes like soda water. That's what that tastes like, soda water. Ugh, no. Aftertaste, it tastes like ass. Don't even tell me how I know what ass tastes like. Don't even say it. Okay. Alright, we're going to do strawberry. Yeah, that definitely smells like a strawberry. Yeah, that tastes like a strawberry. Definitely. Alright. Now we're going to do orange and cream. Not a big fan of cream, so orange and cream. Okay. Ugh, no. Oh my god, I don't like the smell of it. Not a big fan of cream, but we have to do it. Ugh. No. Ugh. 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 Aftertaste. No, I don't like it. Ugh. Ugh. No. Alright, we're going to move on to cherry limeade. Limeade. limeade or whatever it's called. It's making me burp drinking all these. It's making my stomach hurt too, drinking all these different flavors. It smells like a cherry, definitely. Like the first one did. Okay, yeah, that definitely tastes like a cherry. By the way, guys, I love cherries. I love eating cherries. I love anything cherry because I love cherries. But yeah, that tastes like a cherry. Definitely, and oh, it tastes so good. Aftertaste, I can still taste it in the back of my throat, and I like it. So, all right. Let's do Fuji apple. Alright. That sounds like a mango. Yeah, definitely a mango. Ooh, that tastes really good. It kind of tastes like apple cider, definitely. Aftertaste, not too bad. It doesn't stay in the back of my throat, but yeah, that was pretty good. All right. Now we're going to do black cherry. Another cherry, guys. Oh my god. I don't know why, but it smells like cough syrup. Yeah, that smells like cough syrup. Yeah. That tastes like cough syrup. Ah. No. I guess that's the only cherry I don't like. That tastes like cough syrup. Ugh. Alright, we're gonna get to the last one. Pineapple coconut. Ooh, I love coconuts. Yeah, this is starting to make my stomach hurt, dude. Drinking all these flavors. Oh my god. You know what that smells like? It smells like you know the alcohol called pina colada? That's what it smells like. It smells like the pina colada alcohol. Yeah. Yeah, that definitely tastes like the pina colada alcohol. Definitely. And it also tastes like coconut water. By the way, guys, I love coconut water. I got some in the fridge. Yeah, well, this was another subscriber request. I don't got any more subscriber requests, so I'll do whatever next. But to upcoming videos before it's dropped will be in the shorts all the time. Whenever something's coming soon, I'll show it in the shorts. Alright, well, guys, I'm going to end the video here. If you have any questions or concerns, please put in the comments below. I'll read all comments. Let's get us 3 likes and hit that subscribe button. I'm on the road to 10 subs. Alright, peace out.